to the House.
The question is that the motion be agreed to.
Mr. Speaker.
Chris Hipkins.
Mr. Speaker, I'm very happy to speak briefly on the Statutes Amendment Bill to indicate the opposition's support for this legislation. Statutes Amendment Bills are a very good way for the Parliament to expedite tidying up matters across a number of different pieces of legislation, and therefore avoid the House having to engage in lengthy debates about things that are non-controversial and that simply tidy up either mistakes or simply clarify things as required. There are many bills currently proposed in the members' ballot, for example, that could quite happily be incorporated into Statutes Amendment Bills, given that they are very uncontroversial. They comprise the majority, I think, of the members' bills put forward by National Party backbenchers, and the ballot for those members who have bills of greater substance may be a more satisfying exercise if the ballot wasn't currently being padded out by bills that serve no useful purpose other than to soak up the time of the House. So I can indicate that the opposition would certainly be happy to support a significant number of those bills being incorporated into the next Statutes Amendment Bill so that they can be passed through the House without wasting time, as we have done with two bills already, the lost luggage bill and the bill that we just dealt with in committee regarding reporting. And I'm very happy in the new year to furnish the Leader of the House with a list of all of those National Party, whoever that may be, with all of those National Party members' bills that we'd be happy to support in a Statutes Amendment Bill, so that we can. I'm happy to give it to him before he goes away on holiday then, although actually it's difficult in his case to tell which holiday he'd want it before. But I will supply the Leader of the House with that, because Statutes Amendment Bills are a very efficient way, as I've said, of passing legislation which is not controversial. This particular amendment bill has been thoroughly scrutinised by the Government Administration Committee, who had no concerns to draw to the attention of the House, and therefore the opposition is happy to support it.
Members, the question is that the motion be agreed to. Those of that opinion will say aye. To the contrary, no. The ayes have it.
Statutes Amendment Bill, third reading.